Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have PERP daily update. We are going to see the next price targets. And of course, before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now to see PERP against USDT chart. So right here, we are having a little bit of a huge resistance level coming in. That's why you saw this correction in the 4-hour frame, because the 4-hour frame candlestick could not close above the 1.319 to 1.322. This is where we want to close above in order to get even higher. Now for PERP, what is the case and why you should be extremely careful. Right now you can see that we are still holding a very important risk. Right here we are above the 70s, sorry, in the RSI, way above the 70s actually, and we are still are. So this is a very possible scenario that we are going to correct even more. I know that sometimes the RSI, the commodity channel index, and the technical analysis does not mean anything, and the price analysis means more. However, in this case, if we combine them, we are going to make and we are going to have the best result possible. Right now, you can see that the 50, we are actually way above the 20-day and the 50-day moving average, exponential moving average, but at this time we are having a very high risk due to the fact that first we are getting rejected from the 1.32 and secondly we are having a very huge risk. Now what is the next step you should be taking? What is the next step you should be doing? Let's go and draw with Fibonacci retracement from the bottom to the top, and you can see that by the time we are finding a little bit of support pressure right here, this is good, the 1.162. However, closing below the 1.162 will get us even further down to the 1.05, and it is very possible to go even under the 1 USDT. So I want you to be extremely careful. If we close up below the 1.16, get away. If you have bought right here, make a stop loss closing below the 1.162, and then you will just win and you won't have, for example, to make losses, because some people are holding for so long when they buy low thinking that they can make some more percentage of profits and then they end up losing. Okay, so if you've bought right here, then put a stop loss. However, right here the case is that if we go past above the 1.32 around here, let's put the price label on the line right there. Okay, if we close above the 1.32, we may be able to get back to the highs that we had back on 31st May and 24th May, sorry, 2022. This is around 1.60. Yeah, closing above this target will get us to the 1.60 USDT. Now, what you should be doing is, of course, to just a little bit observe the market right now. There is not something better than observing the market. Sometimes it will help you so much. Trust me, patience is the key for success in the cryptocurrency market. Now, which is the most probable scenario, Bill? To go further up or to go down? I would say to go down. Let's get in the daily frame as well. Daily frame, huge resistance, huge actually risk due to the fact that the RSI is above the 70. Same here for the commodity channel index. It has gone up all the way to the 374, one of the highest that we ever had since the 12th April 2021. You can see that, or if the highest, right? You can see that this is the highest number that we could get, and you need to be extremely careful from now on. It may be possible that you are going to lose more. Okay, do not go long into here. It is a little bit of a risk. It is like it is like you're self-hurting yourself. Okay, so basically do not enter right now. I think that we are going to close below, and most probable scenario it is after we find a little bit of a buying pressure at the 1.05, we are going down to the 0.967 to 0.97. Okay, so be careful, be extremely careful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day, and do not forget to join our monthly subscription. You can find the link in the description box and in the comment section. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.